Namaste to all dear students. Here I am with a video relating to non-profit organizations. Okay, video relating to non-profit organizations. This topic is covered for the inter student as well as degree students of second semester financial accounting 2. In for them, this question will be there. So let us don't waste our time anymore. We will start our question. So here is one thing: receipts and payment account of sports Sania Sports Club for the year ended 31st, sorry, for the year 2017-18 given below. They have prepared receipts and payment account. Okay, very good. Operations income, then life membership fees. Put a star mark for life membership, we will deal it later on. Tournament fund, these all are receipts. Subscriptions, entrance fees, donation for computers. Put a star mark for donation for computers also. Sale of old newspaper, total amounts to 1,20,600. Salaries, payment side. Furniture, put a star mark for furniture. Game expenses, printing stationery, tournament expenses. Oh, see here we are having tournament fund and here we are having tournament expenditure. When tournament fund is given as well as tournament expenditure is given, tournament expenses will not come under income and expenditure account. From tournament fund we will deduct tournament expenses in the balance sheet liabilities side. Okay, next, sports equipment bought. Oh, put a star mark for sports equipment bought also. Balance carried down. Generally, receipts and payment account starts with the to balance brought down and ends with the by balance carried down. Here there is no to balance brought down, means that there is no opening cash and bank balance, but this closing one is nothing but closing cash and bank balance will come under balance sheet asset side. Acha. Additional information is given here. Subscription received for 2017-18. We are having receipts and payment account for 17-18, but in additional information they are saying subscriptions receivable. Receivable means outstanding. Okay, for 16-17. Our current year is 17-18 and this is previous year outstanding. To the subscriptions given here we need to minus this, deduct करना है, minus करना है. And subscriptions receivable for 2017-18, these are current year subscriptions. Current year subscriptions we need to year subscriptions क्या करना, we need to add back these subscriptions. Okay, so I said you all to put star mark at life membership fees and donations for computer, tournament fund, and here on at the furniture, because and sports equipment purchased, tournament expenses will be deducted from tournament fund in the बैलेंस शीट में डिडक्ट करना पड़ता है. ओके. अदर थिंग्स we will see later. Sports equipment on 1/4/2017. This is the opening balance. This is the opening balance of sports equipment, and current year you have purchased is 42,000, and closing value is 27,000. If you add to 42,000 this 3,000, it will be 45,000. Your closing should be 45,000, but we are having only 27,000 as closing balance. Means remaining sports material or sports equipment is being utilized during the year or consumed during the year, because it's a sports club. Balls, bats and other things, whatever sports equipment will be there, sometimes while utilizing they will get tampered, broken, यूटिलाइज हो जाता है, खो जाते हैं कभी कभी. सो क्लोजिंग वैल्यू इज हाउ मच? 27,000. रिमे the difference between opening and closing with purchases will be treated as utilization. For this we will do working notes. For subscription we can directly deal in the income and expenditure account. For sports equipment we will do working note. Provide 3,000 for depreciation. Furniture is a capital nature expenditure. Sports equipment is also capital nature expenditure. Life membership capital nature. Tournament fund capital nature. And donations, specific donations, these also capital nature. These all will come under balance sheet, not in income and expenditure account. Remaining things will be coming under income and expenditure account. Remaining things will come under income and expenditure account. This receipts side will come under income side, and this payment side will come under expenditure side. So operations, income from operations. So income, टूर्नामेंट फंड मैंने बोला ये कैपिटल नेचर का है, यहाँ पे नहीं आता. एंड लाइफ मेंबरशिप फी कैपिटल नेचर. एंट्रेंस फीस, सब्सक्रिप्शंस इनकम, एंट्रेंस फीस इनकम, डोनेशंस कैपिटल नेचर एसेट. सेल ऑफ ओल्ड न्यूज़पेपर इज ए इनकम. सैलरीज एक्सपेंडिचर, salaries expenditure. And games also expenses, games expenses. Printing stationery expenses. Tournament expenses, I said this will be deducted from tournament fund, so don't take as expenditure. Sports equipment, I said put a star mark, we will deal it later. And balance carried down, this also balance sheet item. What they are saying, prepare income and expenditure account for the year ended, for the year and balance sheet as on 31st March 2018. So they are asking income and expenditure account and balance sheet. इंटर वाले घबराना नहीं. Generally for intermediate they'll ask only income and expenditure account. For the purpose of degree students they will ask both income and expenditure account and balance sheet. So without wasting any more time, let us go to the answer part. Here they didn't mention about nature of life membership fees as well as entrance fees. So entrance fees generally will be considered as income. Life membership fee will be considered as capital nature. So because once in lifetime we will get, so that will come under balance sheet. Simple logic. Revenue, incomes and expenses will come under income and expenditure. Capital nature things will come under the balance sheet. That's it. So without wasting further time, without wasting any more further time, I'll get you to the answer part. Before doing the answer, let us do some workings first. थोड़े वर्किंग नोट्स कर लेंगे, उसके बाद we can do the answer part. So working notes, I said sports material consumed. Sports material consumed. For sports material consumed, calculation of sports material consumed, particulars, amount in rupees, opening sports equipment on 1/4/2017 given 3000, add sports equipment purchase during the year. इस साल जो sports equipment purchase करें वो add कर दो. Then less closing sports equipment, that is on 31/3/2018 27,000, 3,000 plus 42,000 45,000. From 45,000, if you deduct, here I gave A plus B minus C, if you deduct 27,000, you will get 18,000 as sports equipment utilized, and this will come as in income and expenditure account. Income and expenditure account, which side it will come? It will come debit side, as it is a expenditure, एक्सपेंडिचर के जैसा कहाँ पे लेना? एक्सपेंसेस साइड में लेना है. अच्छा, वेरी गुड. अरे ये क्या हो रहा? चलो अभी नेक्स्ट वर्किंग नोट देखेंगे अपन. वर्किंग नोट 2, वर्किंग नोट 1. वर्किंग नोट 1 इज ओवर, स्पोर्ट्स इक्विपमेंट वाला. नेक्स्ट वर्किंग नोट 2, फॉर द पर्पस ऑफ बैलेंस शीट we need to know ओपनिंग कैपिटल फंड. सो ओपनिंग कैपिटल फंड के लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? ओपनिंग बैलेंस शीट प्रिपेयर करना पड़ता है. From the information given, we are having only two things relating to calculation of opening capital fund. Working note 2, opening balance sheet as on 1/4/2017. Opening values assets से related, asset side ले लो. Subscriptions receivable for 2017, sorry 16-17, that is previous year subscriptions 4,300. Sports equipment on 1/4/2017, this is also previous year information. Last year closing will be current year opening. So these two are the opening values for the year. So 4,500 plus 3,000, 7,500. Same thing as a balancing figure we will take on the debit on the liabilities side. Capital fund balancing figure 7,500, total 7,500. Whatever assets should be equal to the liabilities. Assets should be equal to the liabilities. So liabilities side we don't have anything. Whatever balance is there, asset side, that will be taken directly as capital fund as a balancing figure. Till here workings are completed. I think you will not be having any more doubts regarding this till here. So सर ये वैल्यूज आपको कहाँ से आए? आपने ये दो वैल्यूज लिए ना, कहाँ से लिए? ये डाउट आएगा सब लोगों को. आई विल शो यू फ्रॉम वेयर आई हैव टेकन. सी हियर we are having these things given here in the question itself. See here, we are having subscriptions receivable for 2016-17, that is previous year balance. So asset है, receivable is always asset, and value of sports equipment is also asset of 3,000 opening value. 3000 opening value है. So from here has the balance sheet. This app is irritating a bit. Please do adjust with the, if there is any gap between my audio and video image, please adjust with that. So till here no problems, I think. Let us go to the remaining part. Let us go to the remaining part of the answer. They asked us to prepare income and expenditure account. So income and expenditure account first we will prepare. Later on we will prepare the balance sheet. Later on we will prepare the balance sheet. So here we are having income and expenditure account. Income and expenditure account of Sanya Sports Club for the year ended 31st March 2018. Expenditure amount in rupees, income amount in rupees. Okay. After that they are saying we need to take receipt side. We are having what? On the receipt side we are having operations, that is income, and subscriptions is also income. Subscriptions, you can see subscriptions 19,500, operations also income, and entrance fees also income. Sale of newspaper, sale of old newspaper is also I wrote as I. So these will come under income side. So first I will write these all on the income side. So of the income and expenditure account, first one subscriptions. First one is subscriptions. Two subscriptions, there are some adjustment. Subscriptions given in income and expenditure account is here as 19,500, and subscriptions receivable previous year we need to minus 4,500, current year subscriptions 7,800 outstanding, receivable means I said outstanding, these we need to consider as adding. Okay, so let us do the same thing relating to the subscriptions. Subscriptions given in income and expenditure account, is 19,500. To that current year outstanding or receivable 2017-18 7,500. This also comes under closing balance sheet later on, less previous year outstanding subscriptions 4,500. From 19,500 if you add to 19,500 if you add 7,500 it will be 27,500. From 27,500 if you deduct 4,500 it will be 22,500 as income under the outer column. Operations income is there 42,000. Entrance fees I said should be revenue nature and that is 3,600. Sale of old newspapers is also income. So income side is over. Let us go to the expenditure part, that is given in the payment side. Here on the payment side you can see salaries. We are having salaries as expenditure. So how much it is? 9,900. Then games expenses, that is 7,500. Printing and stationery is also expenditure. Tournament expenses, capital nature, because here tournament fund is there, from that it will be deducted. Sports equipment, I said we have to take only utilized. So first, salaries 9,900, games expenses 7,500 expenditure, printing stationery 9,300, these will we will take. And here they have gave depreciation on furniture 3,000, this is also form part of expenditure. So let us go to the expenditure. Income and expenditure. Expenditure side we are now. Salaries 9,900. Salaries, only revenue nature will come under income and expenditure. Capital nature things will not come. Games expenses 7,500. Printing and stationery 9,300. Depreciation given in the adjustment 3,000 on furniture. स्पोर्ट्स मटेरियल यूटिलाइज्ड वर्किंग नोट 1 में आपने करे 18,000. एंड क्रेडिट साइड इट इज 22,500 प्लस 42,000 प्लस 36,000, sorry 3,600 plus 1,500, total amounts to 69,600. On the debit side, 9,900, 7,500, 9,300 plus 3,000, totals amounts to I think 47,700. From the 69,600, if you deduct 47,700, you will get surplus of 29,100. Surplus of 29,100 as balancing figure. We will consider it as excess of income over expenditure. सर टूर्नामेंट एक्सपेंसेस नहीं लिए, बाबा टूर्नामेंट फंड जब दिए तब क्या करना, टूर्नामेंट फंड में से माइनस करना है टूर्नामेंट एक्सपेंसेस, टूर्नामेंट फंड में से माइनस करना है, यहाँ पे नहीं लेना. ओके सर, लाइफ मेंबरशिप फीस इनकम नहीं लिए, डोनेशंस नहीं लिए, वो सब बैलेंस शीट में आएंगे, यहाँ पे नहीं आएंगे कैपिटल नेचर. ओके, लेट अस सी दी बैलेंस शीट. Hope till here no doubts you will be having. Here, oh. Here we are having balance sheet. Before doing the balance sheet, I would like to tell you all, we have taken working note 1 in income and expenditure, and this capital fund is whatever is there. This capital fund working note 2 will come under the closing balance sheet, and this balance carried down, this balance carried down is there, balance carried down 7,800 is also closing cash and bank balance, and 7,500 is current year outstanding subscriptions, so will come under closing balance sheet. ये भी balance sheet में आएगा, closing balance sheet as a asset, current asset है. And sports equipment closing value 27,000 given, that is also comes under balance sheet. From the here information, furniture purchased, capital nature I said, from this 35,100 we need to deduct depreciation in the balance sheet. And next, sports equipment, this closing value only we should consider, don't consider about this 42,000, because from the sports equipment ओपनिंग वैल्यू 3000 था, 3000 को 42,000 आपने ऐड करे, उसमें से क्लोजिंग वैल्यू कितना है बोले 27,000 as on 31st March 2018. So that will come under the balance sheet. And these will come under the asset side. These will come under the asset side. Let us see the asset side first. After that, we will think about the liabilities part. So here we are with the balance sheet of Sania Sports Club for the year ended 31st March 2018. मस्त कलरफुल है ना. Liabilities, amounts. Do one thing. Let it be. We don't have that much time, no. Okay. Let us see the assets. Furniture 35,100 less depreciation given 3,000 after deducting 32,100 outer column. Sports equipment on 31/3/2018 27,000. This only we need to take. Don't bother about 42,000. Next, subscriptions receivable for 2017-18 current year asset है 7,500. Lastly, closing balance carried down, cash and bank balance 7,800. If you add all this, asset side total will be 74,400. 74,400. Okay. Next, let me tell you something about liabilities part. Liabilities part में first this working note से जो amount आ रहा ना अपने को, this 7,000 ओपनिंग कैपिटल फंड है, ये ले लेते आप. उसके बाद some items we will take from the balance sheet, receipts and payment account given here. ओके. कैपिटल नेचर सी जो भी लिखे वो सब बैलेंस शीट में आ जाएंगे अभी. ओके. वन, लाइफ मेंबरशिप फी, donations to computers and tournament fund. These will come under liabilities side of balance sheet. Let us go to the balance sheet now and check out all those. So nothing will come from the income and expenditure account. That is nothing but surplus. Oh, we have got surplus. From income and expenditure account, surplus is there. Surplus 29,900. This is also go to the balance sheet liabilities side. So let us see the liabilities part of balance sheet. Capital fund, opening capital fund working note 2 से आया 7,500. Add surplus to it 21,900. Outer column 29,400. डोनेशंस फॉर कंप्यूटर स्पेसिफिक डोनेशंस है, बैलेंस शीट में लाइबिलिटीज में आता 15,000 गिवन. लाइफ मेंबरशिप फीस कैपिटल नेचर वी हैव अज्यूम्ड 15,000. टूर्नामेंट फंड गिवन 24,000. टूर्नामेंट एक्सपेंसेस गिवन 9,000. जब टूर्नामेंट फंड देता है क्वेश्चन में याद रखो, टूर्नामेंट फंड देता है और टूर्नामेंट एक्सपेंसेस देता है, फंड में से एक्सपेंसेस निकाल देना है. Any fund will come under the balance sheet liability side only, not to the income and expenditure account. Okay. And outer column it is 15,000. If you deduct from 24,000, 9,000 if you deduct, it will be 15,000. 15 threes are 45. 45 plus 29,400 to the 004. 9 plus 5 14. 1 carry, 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 2 7, so 74 400 is matching asset side and liability side total. So here we end the answer, but before that I want to tell you one thing. Don't forget to write your assumptions, whatever you have considered. Special notes: it is assumed that entrance fees इतने सुबह सुबह में भी 5:20 को ट्रेन आ रहा हमारे घर के पास. Okay, it is assumed that entrance fees is of revenue nature and taken as income and consider it into the income and expenditure account. Next, it is assumed that life membership fees are capital nature and taken in balance sheet. Donations received for computers is specific donation will be taken into the balance sheet. Like this we need to write the notes also, so that you can get ओ जीरो नहीं ओ. सब लोग आंसर करते हैं, जो लोग पॉइंट्स अजम्पशंस भी लिखते उनको ओ मिलेगा instead of getting A. So this is one question of non-profit organization. Generally like this question will be asked for the degree students in the exam. So I'll put the answer notes in the description link of the video. You can take it from there and सीखना बंद तो जीतना बंद, सीखते रहो जीतने के लिए. जय हिंद.